My dear children, we are in the poem Courage. Let us discuss the stanzas 3 and 4 in this video. Courage isn't a dazzling light. Dazzling light means extremely bright light. We may compare this with lightning, minnal, right? That flashes and passes away from sight. Okay, it is not like the lightning which flashes and passes away. Within a fraction of second it disappears. No, courage is not like that. It is a slow. Courage is a slow, unwavering. Unwavering means steady and or fixed, and ingrained, which cannot be changed. Ingrained means which cannot be changed. Trait means quality. It is a quality that is slow, steady, and which is difficult to change. With the patience to work and the strength to wait. We need some patience to work, yes, and we need some strength to wait for the result. So we need courage. It's a part of man when his skies are blue. Skies are blue is an idiom. That means someone is having a good day. Okay, it is a part of a man who has a good day, and it is a part of him when he has to work, when he has work to do. Okay, it is a part of a man in his work. The brave man is never freed of it. A brave man is never free from courage. He has it when there is no need of it. Even though there is no need for courage, he has it. Okay, let us discuss the stanza 4. I hope you are clear with stanza 3. Courage was never designed for show. It is not planned to show off. Courage is not a thing which is planned to show off. Okay. It isn't a thing that can come and go. Okay. You may think that it may come during our problems, like that. No. It is a thing which cannot come and go. It is always with us. It is written in victory. Victory here means success. It is written in victory and defeat. Defeat means failure. Okay, to face a failure also we need some courage, right? And every trial a man may meet, in every situation a man meet, he needs some courage. It's part of his hours, his days, and his years. Okay. Every fraction of second, every fraction of minute, every hour, every day, and every year, he needs some courage. Yes. Back of his smile and behind his tears. At the back of his smiles, he needs some courage. And behind his tears, also, he needs some courage. Okay. Some people may hide their pain and they smile, right? For that, they need courage. Courage is more than a daring deed. Okay. Daring deed means, as I said, a bold act. Courage is more than a bold act. It's the breath of life and a strong man's creed. Okay. We need oxygen to live. The same way we need courage to live. And it is a strong man's creed. Creed here means faith. Okay. To live, we need faith. Yes, of course. I hope you understood the poem clearly. Let us quickly see the poetic devices used in this poem. Okay. Alliteration. Alliteration means the words starting with same letters are called as alliteration. For example, sudden spring. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, let us move on to the next one. Rhyming words. The words ending with same or similar sounds are called as rhyming words. Ears, tears. Yes, yes. Next one, rhyming scheme. Okay, a rhyme scheme is a pattern of rhymes at the end of each line of a poem or song. It is usually referred to by using letters to indicate which lines rhyme. Lines designated with the same letter rhyme with each other. For example, as the same way, hope, rope. It ends with the same letters or same sound. Na? This is called as a rhyming scheme. But rhyming words means it may end with same letters or may not, but it end with similar sound. You have to be very careful in the sound. But here the words ending with same letters mean refers to rhyming scheme. I hope you understand the difference between rhyming words and rhyming scheme. Now quickly let us glance the new words: instantaneous, happening or done immediately, flickered, shown unsteadily, strive to make great effort, ingrained, firmly established and hard to change. Okay. Now you have to complete the answer the following questions and read the following lines and answer the questions. These two should be completed. Okay. As I have explained, pick out the alliterated words, pick out the rhyming words, and write the rhyme scheme of the poem. As I have explained in the A4 sheet, you can verify that A4 sheet. Don't try to use the same words. You find some words, okay, and you can do it. I hope this class is useful for you. If you have any further doubts, please contact your English teacher. Thank you, children.